I've read all your comments. So the moment I heard that the app wasn't working and that you guys weren't able to save your TikToks with the sound, I knew I had to make an update. The best part is I'm gonna show you exactly how to download that TikTok video without having that annoying watermark logo. But trust me, you're going to die laughing because it's so much easier than you guys thought. And if you're wondering how I found this little hack out, this is the exact same process that I use now that I'm repurposing and creating a lot more short videos, not only on TikTok, but Instagram Reels and also YouTube Shorts. You'd be surprised because most people think that the best reach comes from TikTok, but in this video, I'm actually giving you the behind the scenes of my metrics for the last 30 days, and hate to break it to you, but TikTok was not the winner. So to start off, you wanna make sure that you already have the video ready to go. This only works at the moment of posting the video. If you've already posted it, then this little hack will not work. You'll wanna go back to my other video and use any of the 3 strategies. Yes, if you do the live photo, it doesn't download with sound, but guys, you can just put the sound over it. There's always a way. So here's how it goes. Right before posting the video, you're going to go to that next button. You'll have your screen ready to go. Right before writing in your caption, you're going to click on that button where you would normally select the cover. Now, here's the ultimate hack, listen up. You see that little square up at the top? You're actually going to click on it, which will bring the video in full screen with sound, without logo, and hello. You're going to screen record your phone, okay? However your phone works. For me, I just bring it down, I make sure that the volume is up, and I'm screen recording sound, audio, all the good stuff. And there you have it. I told you guys it was a lot simpler than it looks. When you're done, you're just gonna make sure that you stop that screen recording. Now you're going to go on to your camera roll photos or videos, and what you wanna do is actually crop that video because most of the time it's going to be repeating over and over again. You wanna make sure that you crop it from the beginning and from the end. Tell me if you're surprised at how easy this was, because trust me, the moment I found out, it made my process so much easier, and that process has brought me those crazy results that I shared in that video in just the last 30 days. So you definitely want to check that out. If this little hack helped you, hit that subscribe button as always, and you never want to miss any of the videos that I upload every Tuesday here. If you're interested, only if you're interested in content strategy and if you're a content creator or entrepreneur, because that's who this channel is going to benefit. So if that's you, I'll see you right back here. My ring just fell off on this same exact channel next time. Bye-bye. I need to find my ring. Where did it go? I found it. Bye.